DIY Dad, DIY Dad, DIY Dad, DIY Dad, DIY Dad.
Oh my god.
He's disconnecting our smoke alarm here. This is DIY Dad. He's on the case. Our smoke alarm has been bleeping. We'll get more in an interview coming up right now.
Hello, we have had trouble with our smoke alarm. Keeps beeping and beeping and beeping.
You sound a bit scripted.
Especially, I'm not scripted, especially at 3 o'clock in the morning when you're trying to sleep.
Or 4.
Or 4, or 5, or 6.
6 or 7.
So we've had to get DIY Dad to have a little look at it. Story continues.
And now we go to DIY Dad fixing that. And the next thing to do with the interviews is a interview with DIY Dad. For that,
can you pass me a tiny knife or a screwdriver?
What do you want? Tiny
Get this
that
clip
one
out.
or not too tiny?
No. Stick it into that.
DIY Dad doing his natural handicraft work in a premiere episode of DIY Dad. And you know, friend of our YouTube channel. It's been disconnected. We will go to an interview with him about how he fixed it. You took it down. Now, what are you thinking currently?
It's work in progress.
So when you took it down, can I ask how you were thinking? What was your mindset?
If I don't get this down tonight and it bleeps again in the morning, I'm going to bleeping kill someone.
Who? No, it's no one's fault. Right, and now I will show you the date on here. Now look, that says date of manufacturing. What?
I looked over and it looked like you had Edward's glasses on. I thought, oh, you must have Edward's glasses on, I don't know why. And I looked and you had his glasses on.
June 17th, 2010. That's the date of manufacturing. Date of replacement, June 17th, 2020. And it is currently May of 2020. So that's why I think it is bleeping. Join us next time for DIY Dad fixes a light. To DIY Dad. Look at him majestically going. Here he is. What is he doing? I thought you just threw that in the bin then. There is the close-up of... I did just go. Oh. Well, that could still go, couldn't it?
So what?
That could still make the noise.